All right, let's talk about 5 steps that you need to take as a server to make more money. Step 1 is going to be attention to detail. Customers are going to be needy. You want to make sure that you pay attention to the small things. Step 2, anticipate the guest needs. If you see a drink that's halfway, more than likely they're going to need a drink. No need to ask them if they need a refill, just top off that beverage. So anticipate the guest needs. At our restaurant we have messy sandwiches. So if I bring out a sandwich, I know they're gonna want extra napkins. I bring out extra napkins. Anticipating guest needs is really complex, and sometimes it takes a lot of experience, but once you get the rhythm of it, anticipating guest needs will make you very successful. Step 3, upsell. A great way to enhance the guest experience and make yourself more money is to upsell. We have French fries here, but we also have Greek garlic feta fries. If we sell that to a guest, it increases their bill, increases their experience, and it increases your tips as a server. Number 4, being available. I know it sounds silly, but it's 2018 and I get it. We all have our cell phones, and Instagram doesn't pay any money, your customers do. So don't be hiding away from your customers whenever you can be on the floor interacting with them, even if it's slow. I love it when it's slow because I get to slow down and get to know my customers, get to know their name, get to know where they're from and their activities and their hobbies, and build that rapport. That's so important as a server, and next thing you know, you will have customers lining up to sit in your section and asking for you all the time. The 5th thing is knowledge. Probably the most important thing. A knowledgeable server will always make more money than a server with no knowledge. Knowing the wines you sell, knowing the variety of grapes that are used in those wines, knowing the vintage year that they're produced, knowing what beers are on tap, knowing the ingredients inside the recipes, spending some time with the chef. Come in on your day off and just hang out with the chef if that's applicable. See how they actually make that particular recipe. And there's no substitute for just strong knowledge. The more knowledgeable you are, the more confident you can be at your table, and the more tips that you can make as a server. So real quick guys, that was 5 tips on how to make more money as a server. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys next time. All right, here's a bonus one for you guys. Pacing out the meal. When a guest comes into the restaurant, you wanna read that guest and see if they're in a hurry, if they're taking their time, because you can really mess up a meal and mess up your tip if you rush the guest or if the guests are waiting too long. So knowing your cook times, knowing that a salmon baking in the oven is going to take a lot longer than something that's just pulled real quick from a holding cabinet. So be really in tune with your menu and the cook times and reading the customers. And also another kind of pro tip on that same note is just knowing how busy the restaurant is and how efficient the kitchen staff is gonna be during a big volume push and things like that. So, hey, thanks guys for listening. That's 5 ways on how you can increase your tips as a server, and plus the bonus 1 extra. So, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys in the next vlog.